There are over 20 different species of fox, but did you know that only one of them can fly? Well, not technically fly, but more like glide from a great height without the aid of a parachute or wingsuit. It's called a flying fox, and it gets its name from its large wing-like ears. These magnificent creatures are also known as the laughing fox because of their high-pitched cackle, which they use to communicate with other flying foxes. Number 9. A group of male foxes is called a skew. I don't know why, but that just made me giggle. Number 8. Foxes have been domesticated for thousands of years. In fact, there are records of fox hunts dating back to ancient Egypt. But it wasn't until relatively recently that foxes began to be kept as pets. The first domesticated foxes were silver foxes, and they were selectively bred for their fur. Today, domesticated foxes make wonderful companions, but they still retain some of their wild instincts. For example, they're crepuscular, which means they're most active at dawn and dusk. They're also highly curious and intelligent animals, which makes them both challenging and rewarding to own. Number 7. Foxes are solitary creatures. They typically only come together to mate. Number 6. A female fox and her cubs are known as a leash. How adorable is that? Number 5. Red foxes can change the color of their fur to blend in with their surroundings. This is called adaptive coloration, and it allows the foxes to be both predators and prey. When they're hunting, their fur helps them to blend in with the trees and bushes. This makes it easier for them to sneak up on their prey, which includes rabbits, squirrels, and mice. However, when the foxes are being hunted themselves, their fur helps them to blend in with the leaves and grass. This makes it more difficult for humans and other predators to spot them. Number 4. Foxes are carnivorous, but they'll occasionally eat fruits and vegetables. This is especially true of the red fox, which has been known to eat more than 100 different types of fruits. Number 3. Some foxes have unique markings on their fur that make them easy to identify. For example, the Arctic fox has a white tail tip that's used to signal its presence to other foxes. The fennec fox has large ears that help it to dissipate heat, and the gray fox has a black stripe down its back. Number 2. The red fox is the most widespread of all the fox species. It can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and deserts. And finally, number 1. Foxes are one of the most popular animals in the world. They're featured in books, TV shows, and movies. They're also commonly used as mascots for sports teams and businesses. So there you have it, 10 incredible fox facts you won't learn anywhere else. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about amazing animals, be sure to subscribe for more updates. See you next time.